Hey, it's Katie. It is a Monday afternoon. It is snowing here in Tianjin today. I woke up and the ground was covered in white snow. My kids at school loved it. Half of them hadn't seen snow before, so I took them out at playtime and we made some snowmen, which was so cute. Anyway, it's now about 5:15 in the evening and me and Callum are going to head down to a camera store because we're going to try and see if we can find a point and shoot camera. We at the moment are filming on a Canon 80D, which is a little bit too big and a bit too bulky for some of the vlog stuff that we want to try. So we're going to see if we can get like a smaller point and shoot camera. So let's go and have a little exploration of a camera shop. Right, so we might be the only couple in the universe that goes out for an evening stroll in China in the snow and ends up buying a brand new camera. We ended up with the Sony RX100 Mark 5. I am so looking forward to trying it. The reason we bought it is because this Canon camera is massive, so it's great when we go out traveling and we go to different places around the world. It's great for time lapses, it's great for shots, but when we want to just go to our local shopping mall or go to restaurants, this camera's a little bit more discreet and it's helpful for like vlogging and stuff. So we're going to try it out on the weekend. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more moving and living in China videos. See you next time. Bye.